now going to desolder a 40-pin dual inline IC. Place the sensor underneath the IC and allow the back temperature to heat up until it reaches 120 degrees. Then take the handheld IR tool and turn on the power and move it up and down the ICs on both sides. As we heat, the temperature of the IC will rise until it reaches the reflow temperature, which is 188 to 195 degrees for 60-40 solder. Keep moving the heater up and down, observing the temperature on the indicator till it hits 188. The temperature now is indicating 180. At this point, we will test to see if the IC is ready to come out. Heat on both sides. There will be a grounding plane somewhere. As you apply heat, gently try to lift the component with the tweezer without forcing it. We are waiting for all the pins to desolder so that we can remove the IC. See, the IC now is starting to shift, but there's still a ground plane. Let's lift the IC out. And here you have a desoldered 40-pin dual inline component.